morning, students. Our next topic is the joint. What is joint? As you know, you must have done in your maths when you join two lines, that place, the meeting point is the joint. Similarly, in our human body, where two bones meet, it is called joint. As I showed you our limbs when we talked about the arm bones and the thigh bones. As you can see, different bones are joining in different places, here, 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 here. So in this way the bones meet, and in that point only we are able to move. Had our vertebral column been made up of only one single bone instead of 33 bones, what would have happened? We had discussed that we could not have done the different movements like bending forward, bending back, sideways. It was not possible. Because our body is made up of different bones, so we can do different type of movements. We can move our arms, we can move our legs, we can move our hips, we can move our shoulder in this way. So in this way, joint is very important. The point where two separate bones meet is called a joint. Joint enable us, means help us to bend, to move, to do different type of work. Bones are held together by tough tissues called ligaments. Had there no ligament, our bones would have moved helter and skelter. So bones are held together in their place by ligament. Coming to the different types of joints, we have four different types of joints which we have discussed earlier. As you know, the four different joints are hinge joint. It means only one side you can move. That type of joint is called hinge joint. Then we have ball and socket joint, where there is a ball and a socket, and the bones are held together. Then you have gliding joint. By gliding, you can understand it can move in the different direction. And then the next one is your pivot joint. Pivot joint is like one in the top and it is controlling. So we are going to discuss about the different joints. In this book you can see the hinge joint. The hinge joint is present in our knees, elbows, toes and fingers. It is the hinge of a door. As we discussed, only one side it moves allowed in one direction only. As you can see, our kneecap, you can see these two bones are here, it is joined and it is in one direction only. Even our we can move in one direction only. Similarly, ball and socket, as you can see, this type of joint, one end of the bone is round like a ball. As you can see, it is round like a ball and it is hollow. It is a socket and it goes inside, like it fits in. For example, the round end of the humerus joint in your arms and your this femur bone, they are held together in this way. And the next one is the gliding joint. As you can see, this glide in this bone can slide over one another. Our wrist, which we can glide, and our ankles also, it allows side to side as well as backward forward movement. We can do backward and forward movement. And the last one is your pivot joint, the joint between the two vertebrae of your first two vertebrae of your vertebral column and your skull. That which is the first one is called the atlas, is the pivot joint. It allows our head to move sideways, and this, as you can see, children, the top end, see the bones, how it is rounded, one bone twist on the whole of the other. So in this way we have these four type of joints, namely our hinge joint, which is our knees, elbow, toes and fingers. These are the joints. Ball and socket, your shoulder and hip. Then your gliding joint is your wrist and ankle, and your pivot joint between the skull and the first two vertebrae. Okay, in this way joints are helpful for doing all type of work. It helps us to bend, to move, and to do different type of